Hello, I'm going to compare JBL Tour 1 M3 versus Sony WH-1000XM6. So key differences: noise cancellation. JBL Tour 1 M3 sporting 8 mic true adaptive noise cancelling 2.0. It performs well but can be inconsistent, especially with variable frequencies like AC or vehicle noises. Sony WH-1000XM6 features a new HD ANC processor, QN3, and 12 microphones. Widely praised for top-tier consistent noise cancellation and smooth transitions. Sound quality: Sony WH-1000XM6 delivers warm, balanced sound with a punchy bass and clear highs. High multi-dimensional audio quality scores reflect rich timbre and dimension. JBL 2 1 M3 bright and punchy with customizable EQ. Personified personalization improves clarity. Out of the box sound is overly bright for some EQ tweaking recommended. Battery life: JBL Tour 1 M3 exceptional up to 70 hours ANC off and still comfortable about 40 hours with ANC on. Sony WH-1000XM6 around 30 hours with ANC active. Unique extras: JBL includes a smart TX transmitter for connecting non-Bluetooth sources and sharing audio via Auracast, ideal for flights or TV. Rich app-based controls like EQ, ANC tuning, DSP. Sony offers seamless multi-point, wireless switching, high-res codecs, spatial audio upmixing, USB charging while listening, and strong call performance. Comfort and design: JBL lightweight and comfortable, but air cuffs may trap heat and apply a stronger clamp, might feel tighter during long sessions. Sony improved comfort with a wider headband and foldable design, better seal for long listening sessions.